What, if anything, does the apparent and, if true, seismic change in America's abortion laws mean for Britain? For some Brits, it will simply renew their conviction that the US and the UK are chalk and cheese, Venus and Mars. How could judges rule against a woman's right to choose? But for those in Britain who would like to see a change, a modification in our abortion laws, the potential overthrow of the 1973 Roe v. Wade ruling in America means this. Maybe. It shines a light on a subject which has fallen off our political agenda. Since the Abortion Act of the late 1960s, there have been almost 10 million abortions in the UK. That number would have astonished those who voted for the law, which was billed at the time as an extreme remedy to vanishingly rare circumstances. The idea that abortion could be used almost as a type of last-ditch contraception would have appalled those who framed the law half a century ago. But 50 years on, and Britain has some of the most liberal abortion laws in the world. However, there is evidence of a shift in the public appetite for change. A recent survey found that 70% of women in the UK thought that the current 24-week limit for termination should be reduced. Will it be? Well, if anything, it's becoming ever easier to get an abortion in Britain. During lockdown, clinics closed, and as a temporary measure, women were sent abortion pills in the post. It was, as I say, a temporary measure that MPs recently voted overwhelmingly to make permanent. The pills are meant to be taken within 10 weeks of conception, but because there's no clinical oversight, they often are not. A&E units have been seeing women arriving with complications caused by taking an abortion pill for later than science intended. So what impact, if any, will the ruling of a Supreme Court 5,000 miles away from our own have on our abortion laws? Well, nothing instantly, but over time it may disrupt the idea, an idea you increasingly see presented on mainstream media outlets, that abortion is settled science and that the only people mad enough to object to it are lunatics in Mississippi. The truth is that many Brits are deeply uncomfortable with abortion up to 24 weeks. Like it or not, it's no longer possible to maintain that abortion as a lifestyle choice without consequences is something which every right-thinking person agrees with. That's my Brazier angle.